Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Fan Machinery. In the heart of Forest Falls, CA, a team of experienced arborists undertook the challenging task of felling a massive 230-year-old white fir tree. This ancient giant, standing tall and lifeless, posed a significant risk to its surroundings. With safety and precision as top priorities, the tree crew employed advanced equipment, including still chainsaws and a powerful crane to dismantle this behemoth. The operation was no ordinary tree removal. The sheer size and age of the white fir made it a dangerous undertaking, requiring meticulous planning and coordination. The crew's expertise was evident as they assessed the tree's condition, identified potential hazards, and devised a strategy to bring it down piece by piece. Each step was executed with care, ensuring the safety of the team and the surrounding environment. Perched high above the ground, skilled climbers equipped with still chainsaws began their work. The chainsaws, renowned for their reliability and cutting power, proved essential in tackling the thick, aged wood of the white fir. The climbers expertly cut away branches and sections of the trunk, starting from the top and working their way down. Every cut was calculated to maintain balance and prevent uncontrolled falls. Meanwhile, a crane was strategically positioned to support the removal process. The crane's operator worked in tandem with the climbers, carefully lifting and lowering large sections of the tree to the ground. This collaboration minimized the risk of damage to the surrounding area and ensured a controlled descent of each piece. The precision and synchronization between the climbers and crane operator were a testament to the team's skill and dedication.
Good job, dude.
The white fir's massive size required repeated cycles of cutting, lifting, and lowering. Each section was safely brought down and processed on the ground. As the operation progressed, the once imposing tree was gradually reduced to manageable pieces, ready for removal or repurposing. The decision to fell this 230-year-old tree was not made lightly. It had stood as a sentinel in the forest for generations, but its death posed a threat to nearby structures and the safety of forest visitors. By removing it, the crew not only mitigated potential dangers, but also created an opportunity to honor the tree's legacy through sustainable use of its wood. In the end, the successful felling of the white fir in Forest Falls, CA, was a remarkable feat of skill, teamwork, and technology. The operation showcased the power of still chainsaws and the precision of crane-assisted tree removal, highlighting the dedication of arborists who ensure both safety and respect for nature in their work. When a tree is cut down, it marks the beginning of a fascinating journey that transforms raw wood into a versatile and widely used material: plywood. This process, though intricate, is a testament to human ingenuity and the efficient utilization of natural resources. Here's a closer look at how plywood is made at the factory, starting right from the tree logs. The journey begins with the selection of logs, often referred to as peeler logs. These are typically straight, defect-free, and of the right diameter and length, making them ideal for producing large veneers. Once the logs arrive at the factory, they are debarked using specialized machinery. This step removes the outer bark layer and prepares the logs for the next stage. The bark, often considered waste in the past, is now repurposed for bioenergy or mulch, showcasing sustainable practices in the industry. Before slicing, the logs are conditioned by soaking them in hot water or steaming them. This process softens the wood, making it easier to peel into thin sheets without cracks or splits. Conditioning also helps achieve uniform veneer thickness, a crucial factor in the quality of the final plywood product. Conditioned logs are placed in a rotary lathe, where they are spun at high speed. A sharp knife peels off thin sheets of wood, known as veneers, in a continuous ribbon. These veneers are then cut into standardized sizes, depending on the intended dimensions of the plywood. The uniformity and precision at this stage ensure minimal waste and consistent quality. Freshly peeled veneers contain a significant amount of moisture, which needs to be reduced to ensure durability and stability in the final product. The veneers are passed through large dryers, where controlled heat and airflow remove excess moisture. This step also prevents warping and ensures the adhesive bonds effectively in the subsequent stages. Once dried, the veneers are graded based on their appearance and quality. Higher-grade veneers, which are free of knots and defects, are used for the outer layers of the plywood, while lower-grade veneers serve as core layers. Sorting ensures that each sheet of plywood meets the desired standards for its specific application. The dried and graded veneers are coated with adhesive, typically a resin-based glue, and stacked in layers. The orientation of each layer alternates, with the wood grain running perpendicular to the adjacent layer. This cross-grain arrangement gives plywood its strength, stability, and resistance to warping. The stacked veneers are subjected to high pressure and temperature in a hydraulic press. This step cures the adhesive and bonds the layers together into a single cohesive sheet. The pressing process also ensures uniform thickness and smooth surfaces. After pressing, the plywood sheets are trimmed to precise dimensions and sanded to create smooth surfaces. This step prepares the plywood for finishing and ensures that it meets the required specifications for size and quality. Depending on the intended use, the plywood may undergo additional finishing processes such as coating, laminating, or adding decorative veneers. The final product is then graded once more to ensure it meets industry standards and customer requirements. The finished plywood sheets are stacked, packaged, and prepared for shipment. They are transported to distributors, retailers, or directly to construction sites, where they will serve as essential components in a wide range of projects, from furniture and flooring to roofing and wall paneling. The plywood manufacturing process is a remarkable example of innovation and sustainability. By efficiently utilizing wood resources and incorporating eco-friendly practices, the industry ensures that every tree cut down is transformed into a valuable, durable product that plays a crucial role in our daily lives.